Now it's painting time again. Let's play a little guessing game. We'll draw 6 things one by one. Guess what it is, and then it's color fun. Something round and shining bright. It warms the world golden light. It wakes us up and makes us play. It shines above the clouds all day. What could it be? Here's a clue. It lives high in the sky and it shines every morning. Yes! It's the sun! Great job! Now look closely. What color is the sun? Here's a hint. It's the same color as a banana and a lemon. That's right! Yellow? Excellent guess. The yellow sun, warm and bright, lights the world with golden light. You did amazing. Let's go to the next one. Now we draw something small and sweet. It's juicy and yummy, a tasty treat. It grows on plants, soft and round, a little fruit that can be found. What could it be? Here's a clue. It's a fruit that loves summer and has tiny seeds on its skin. Yes, a strawberry. Perfect. Now tell me, what color is a strawberry? Here's a hint. It's the same color as a fire truck and a rose. Correct. Red. Well done. A red strawberry, shiny and sweet. One of the best fruits you can eat. Excellent work. Let's go to the next one. Next we paint something tall and strong. It's been standing all life long. It has a trunk and many leaves, and under it a bird believes. What could it be? Here's a clue. It grows from the ground and gives a shade in summer. Yes, a tree. Great job. Now what color is a tree? Here's a hint. It's the same color as grass and frogs. Exactly. Green. Wonderful. A green tree, proud and tall, giving shade to one and all. You're doing great. Let's see the next one. Now we draw something that can fly with pretty wings up in the sky. It loves to sing, it loves to play, tweeting songs all through the day. What could it be? Here's a clue. It lives in the sky, sings every morning, and builds a nest. Yes, a bird! That's right! Now tell me, what color is this bird? Here's a hint. It's the same color as the sky and the ocean. Correct. Blue. Amazing! A blue bird singing loud and sweet, flying high with flapping feet. Fantastic! Let's go to the next one. Now we're drawing something fast and strong with wheels that roll the road along. It takes us places near and far. Beep beep, here it comes. What could it be? Here's a clue. It has 4 wheels, a steering wheel, and drives on the road. Yes, that's right. A car? Now tell me, what color is this car? Here's a hint. It's the same color as cherries and hearts. Yes, red. Brilliant. A red car, shiny and new, racing fast just like you. Excellent guess. Ready for the last one? Here's a tiny buzzing friend. It works all day from start to end. It loves the flowers, yellow and bright. It makes sweet honey, pure delight. What could it be? Here's a clue. It buzzes around gardens and says bzzz. Yes, a bee? Wonderful! Now what color is the bee? Here's a hint. It's the same color as the sun and corn. Yes, yellow. You got it. A yellow bee, small and free, buzzing softly near the tree. You did it. That was the last one. That was amazing, my friends. You learned so much today. You guessed the pictures, you found the colors, and you sang along. Hooray! Now it's time to rest and smile. We'll see you soon in just a while. Keep your brushes, keep your cheer. We'll paint again right here next year. Goodbye, little artists. See you soon. Stay bright, stay curious, and keep learning colors.